Hello, my name is Shraddha and I am a student of Vishal Saini sir. Um, I am sharing this testimony regarding today's high intensity workshop that was conducted, and it was really a very beautiful workshop. Um, we got to learn a lot of things, about our health and the way we live our life, and what are the good things that we should be doing, and precautions and measures we should take for our health. And it was really um, enlightening and empowering workshop that happened today, and I really look forward to um, join more such workshops in future. So thank you, Vishal sir and team. Thank you.